Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about SendGrid, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a SendGrid account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a SendGrid account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your customers, and SendGrid is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, SendGrid.com. Check my video description. I'll try, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sign up and create a SendGrid account, you're going to click right here, start for free. Okay, so SendGrid is owned by Twilio. So in order to sign up, they're going to ask for your first name, your last name, email address, and password. Also, you need to agree to the terms of service right here. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all this information in off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next SendGrid sends me a confirmation code to my email. I'm going to grab that code and paste it in here. Okay, next SendGrid sends me a text message code to verify my account for two-factor authentication. So I'm going to grab that code and enter it in here. Okay, next SendGrid's going to ask you a few questions about your company. So they're going to show your first name, your last name, your email address, and they're going to ask for your company name, company website, phone number, and then the country code. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this off screen. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and it brings me here to my SendGrid dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start connecting my domains, and I can also start putting together my email marketing campaign. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a SendGrid account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.